Money. It's something we all think about, whether we're budgeting for the week, planning for the future, or dreaming about that next big purchase. But have you ever stopped to think about how your zodiac sign might play a role in your relationship with money? It's not as crazy as it sounds. Each zodiac sign carries its own unique energy that influences everything from how we manage our time to how we spend and save our money. When you look at your financial habits, you might start to see the patterns emerge. Do you hold on to your cash like a Scorpio or spend freely like a Sagittarius? Your zodiac could be the reason. Take a Taurus, for example. Earthy, grounded, and practical. They're the types who want financial security and long-term stability. A Taurus isn't likely to take big financial risks. They'd rather make steady, reliable investments that give them a sense of comfort and control. They understand the value of hard work and don't mind putting in the effort to see those savings grow over time. Now, flip that to a Leo. Known for their love of luxury, they're more likely to spend big on experiences and beautiful things that reflect their sense of self-worth. For a Leo, money is tied to their personal identity. It's about looking good and feeling good. But the challenge? Sometimes they might overspend in pursuit of those bigger-than-life moments. Capricorns, on the other hand, are the true entrepreneurs of the zodiac. They understand the power of hard work and ambition. Money is a tool to build a legacy. They won't shy away from taking calculated risks, but they'll always have a plan, a vision, and a backup plan. For a Capricorn, success isn't just about making money, it's about creating something that lasts. But what about a more impulsive sign like Aries? For them, money is a bit more of a roller coaster ride. They might jump into investments with enthusiasm, but they can just as quickly pull out when they get bored or frustrated. That's the Aries way quick to start, but sometimes just as quick to walk away. To really thrive, they need to balance their impulsive energy with some solid financial strategy. The important thing to realize here is that your zodiac sign doesn't dictate whether you'll be wealthy or not. It's just one piece of the puzzle. But understanding your financial tendencies based on your sign can help you make smarter choices, avoid mistakes, and even unlock your financial potential. So, are you spending in alignment with your sign's energy? Do you need to be more like the patient Taurus when it comes to saving? Or is it time to embrace the calculated risks of a Capricorn? Maybe you need a little balance between the two. Whatever it is, the stars can help you understand why you make the financial decisions you do, and how you can work with your natural tendencies to create the financial future you want. Your relationship with money is as unique as your zodiac sign. Understanding that connection can unlock a whole new way of thinking about your finances, and maybe even open up new doors for you.